President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. orders authorities to track down resigned lawmaker Zaldi Co.
May babalita ko po sa inyo na ang passport po ni Zaldi Co ay kanselado na. Kaya in-instructionan ko na ang Department of Foreign Affairs, pati ang PNP, na makipag-ugnayan sa ating mga embassy sa iba't ibang bansa para tiyakin na hindi maaring magtago itong ating hinahabol na magtago doon sa kanilang bansa.
Formerly the representative of ACO Bicol Party List, Co has been out of the country since the 20th Congress opened in late July 2025. In late November 2025, the Sandigan Bayan issued arrest warrants against Co and several others over an anomalous flood control project in Oriental Mindoro. While overseas, Co released a series of videos accusing Marcos and his allies of allegedly benefiting from budget insertions and project kickbacks. The palace denies these allegations and